The watermelon seeds have a high nutritional value. Experts suggest that eating watermelon seeds is safe and can actually be good for your overall health. They are versatile and can be consumed in whichever way you like. Have a look at some of the health benefits of watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds contain magnesium, an essential mineral that contributes to heart health. Watermelon seeds contain zinc, which is another important mineral beneficial for male reproductive system. Watermelon seeds are packed with iron and B vitamins that strengthen the immune system and enhance the immune function. The watermelon seeds contain magnesium that activates the enzymes in the body and help in absorbing nutrition and therefore aid good digestion. Watermelon seeds improve your skin texture and overall appearance. Magnesium present in watermelon seeds helps in improving memory and also boosts brain health. Watermelon seeds are loaded with essential minerals that help in strengthening the bones and increase bone mineral density. Watermelon seeds are full of fiber and fatty acids that help in lowering bad cholesterol as well. That's about it for now.